Because you've seen everything without knowing the end, not the beginning. So we meet again with all the families of seasoning, salt, onions, and water. But since we don't know what to expect, we cover it, uncover it. This is not business as usual. Now you think you know where this is going, but you don't know what is coming. More water. What else is coming? It should be rice. And rice again. Cover rice. Meet the young man. Open what was covered. But since you know how to fry meat, we will get to other things that must be fried speedily. Is this one of them? Can we fry rice? We shall not. We shall cover it. This one must be fried. Is that all that must be fried? Mr. Friday, we are not here to fry things because we must add certain things to fried things. And having said that, fried things must be added to fried things. Is that all we've come to see? Never see rice. I have seen rice before. Can we fry something else? Can we fry rice? Mr. Friday, I have warned you before. Take spring onions. Can we fry it? Mr. Friday, I forgive you. Cover him. Maybe we'll call it a day. Will you take it or will you leave it? When you don't know where to start, you can start from where you know. And nobody will know. But there is a destination. Who knows the destination? Nobody. So we add water. Water cannot be wrong. We started from where we know. You know this one. Who doesn't? You can turn things around. Or maybe yes, you know rice. Who doesn't? We will add the things we know and get to the end. Who added water? Do you know this? Can you turn things around? Anyone can turn things around. Cover it. Meet the young man. His only job was to help us get to the destination. But he added pepper. You now think this is the end. Never. No one knows the end. Yellow things must be added. And the green ones. Allow them to come inside. What can I say? What must be said? Have we seen the end? Endurance. We will cover it. After a while, we open it. How can we end what have not started? The plan was to get to the destination. And no one knows the destination. The end. We began from the starting. And now we are here. You think this is fried rice? Never. It was concocted, following a path never traveled by humans. The name is destination because it traveled a path never known to humans. People of the universe, welcome, Mr. Destination.